When I first started as a barista, I knew nothing about coffee. I was inside this bubble of the cafe, so all I knew was what I was given to work with. And then customers would come in and they would ask questions. Not all customers, but just some regulars, some few ones questions I didn't have answers to. And so I was looking for these questions, looking for the answers to these questions, and you know, I started visiting the roaster and asking questions with them. And some of the questions they couldn't answer, they would go to the farmers and say, okay, and then the farmer would exchange information back and forth, and it would just trickle on down to the barista, and that just helped me, you know, better explain what I was doing to create this wonderful, this beverage that everyone is really interested in. And when I started competing, that really connected me with the farmers more, because I wanted to know everything about my craft that I could find out. And when I started visiting farmers, it put what I was doing into context.
你叫咖啡师，你每天在做咖啡，所以你跟咖啡的建立起来的联系，还有你对咖啡生豆就原产地部分，从这么一颗种子到最后你手上拿到那个豆子的这一颗过程，我觉得对咖啡师去理解风味是一定不能缺失的。如果缺失掉产地的这一部分的话，会很难去清晰的构建出我需要这个咖啡是什么味道，就我希望它是一个什么样的风味，我怎么样正确的去认识它，我觉得会有很大的缺失。
If you're not able to fully connect the dots, you're not really able to understand the full process of coffee roasting, because otherwise you're just applying heat to a bean that you know nothing about, and this allows me to really understand it from its source.
The benefit of visiting Origin is just tying what was once a concept or an idea into an actual experience, and really fully understanding the magnitude of production, the labor of production, all of the variables that can go into the production of coffee for different farmers depending on their setting, and then getting a much better hands-on understanding of how growing and processing influence roasting and then finally brewing. And so yeah, just finally tying all the pieces together and making it part of your experiences makes you as a barista much more equipped and confident to trust what you've been taught, and then to know far more than you did before you went to Origin.